Implementing process automations across enterprises almost always requires the significant involvement of external consultants and internal IT resources, making automations costly and time-consuming endeavors. That's the reality, because less than 0.5% of humanity can code, keeping innovation and the ability to direct and activate automation tools, technologies, and AI in the hands of very few. And even when you hire the best consultants and developers out there, still 90% of the processes that business users want to automate are left to manual work. That's because traditional RPA-based automation solutions can't deal with complex and dynamic processes. Today's low-code and no-code platforms do not deliver on their promise either, as they require an excruciating amount of effort in building process workflows and planning for every possible exception scenario up front. And so businesses are investing heavily only to automate a fraction of what they'd wish to automate, and then are still tied to rigid presets, forever dependent on the consultants and developers who built them. All while leaving a long list of the most important, complex, document-heavy, time-consuming, and dynamic processes in the hands of manual labor. Enter Kognitos, the world's first generative AI automation platform designed to automate enterprise processes using plain human language. We've built a human language interpreter for enterprise automation that empowers every business user to automate any business process using human language. It's human language as a code. And a powerful human verification element is essentially baked into the approach, ensuring full control of the automation and AI. You also don't have to worry about and map out every possible process variation from day one, or shifting business requirements. Kognitos' platform understands business users, adapts to their processes, and even communicates process exceptions back in plain human language instead of audit logs. It self-learns and adapts to your business processes as you build the process automations together. There is no need for workflow builders or chatbots. To make it all happen, we built an architecture that brings creativity and diligence together to empower enterprises to safely leverage generative AI. The creativity part is represented by Kognitos Concierge, the conversational interface, where users instruct, brainstorm, verify, and decide along with it. It is built on our proprietary AI technology and leverages the contextually safe and accurate information from large language models, LLMs. The brain, with a proprietary human language interpreter at its core, is the part that then diligently follows the instructions in an English-based, fully auditable way, where automations can be written and understood, then modified and audited by business users back on the conversational interface, all by using plain human language. Then Kognitos' patented conversational exception handling ensures errors and exceptions are not resulting in dead-end technical error logs, but instead turn into conversational messages for the business user to address and help keep the process running, learning, and adapting as it goes. The result? Bringing the power of intelligent automation to 1 billion business users. It democratizes automation engineering and unshackles innovation. In more practical terms, more automated processes and freed up business users. With Kognitos, enterprises can not only automate more processes and do it faster and cheaper, they are also free to iterate, experiment, implement, update, and scale automation across the organization independently of consultants and dedicated development resources. This also means enterprises' centers of excellence and operations teams can be more efficient and strategic than ever. Now, imagine using this innovative solution to transform your business process automation across departments and functions. Imagine automating even the most document-heavy processes anywhere around your business, from finance and accounting to customer service and supply chain, all the way to procurement and HR and anything else you can imagine. Imagine a process such as extracting information from documents received via email, like purchase order, bill of lading, invoices, claims, and others, and uploading that information into a system of record that can be completely automated by a business user together with our platform within a matter of minutes. Imagine automatically connecting the dots between different parts of your organization, customer information, technology stack, and people. Now stop imagining and start typing, with the only thing you'll need to imagine is just more and more use cases to automate. The main differentiation of our solution lies in our fundamental belief that in the human-AI relationship, control must at all times stay in the hands of the former. This approach is why our clients can incorporate human review into generative AI tasks natively. This approach also led us to integrate a diverse set of foundational large language models, instead of relying on just one. We prioritize data privacy and make sure our clients use their own enterprise data within their own infrastructure, so it's private and secure. Our patented conversational exception handling allows the platform to deal with, flag, and even correct errors and updates at every step of the way. The platform is contextually intelligent to ask you, "Hey, what did you mean?" instead of prompting a close-ended syntax error, putting all the control in your hands. And as your private generative AI, the fact it uses your own enterprise data leaves no scope for hallucination. So, when on the one hand you can have conversational interactions with the platform, brainstorming and reviewing, and making decisions in a private, creativity-inducing space. And on the other, you have the safe interpreting, processing, and executing capabilities of the system's brain. You truly get a one-of-a-kind solution. And it's your way to a business as automated as your innate drive for success.